Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing credentials and confirming you have admin rights, because Windows 7 needs elevated access to add a VPN. Once done, open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center, then choose Set up a new connection or network. Select Connect to a workplace, then use My Internet Connection, VPN. Enter the server address and a connection name, check Remember My Credentials if private, and click Next so Windows stores the profile securely. Now you tune security and authentication to match the VPN server, because mismatches are the most common failure. Right-click the new connection, choose Properties, then the Security tab, pick the correct VPN type, Automatic, PPTP, or L2TP with IPsec. Set authentication to MSJAP v2 or certificate as required, and click Advanced Settings to add a pre-shared key for L2TP. Make sure encryption is required, and that IP4. Finally, click Connect and enter your username and password. Watch the status messages in Network and Sharing Center so you know if authentication or networking fails. Once connected, create a desktop shortcut and optionally set the connection to remember credentials for fast access. If it fails, check Windows services like Remote Access Connection Manager, ensure the firewall or ISP isn't blocking the VPN protocol, and verify the pre-shared key or certificate. Fixing those usually resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.